Hello, 17 that's Hathaway here. We are doing this video here about getting the conviction of a skeleton here today. So I'm on video here. So I got a pretty good amount of time left on my battery, and I want to say hello to the kitty cat today. Stop moving so I can get you. There you go. High five. Alrighty. So we're gonna get a conviction here in just a second. Um. So you know what? Let's turn our audience to the skeleton in the chair. So this is the skeleton here already. So and I actually have all the evidence I need to get here to get this conviction done, and once and for all. So before we do that, I want to say the skeleton have been doing some inappropriate contact with people here. So we're trying to change the verb from the sex, and we just changed it to inappropriate contact. So I have all the evidence here, what we can prove of. So the skeleton have been lying to me the whole entire time, and yes, hold on. Sorry about that. Yeah. So the skeleton has lied to us before, as me as a detective, yes. And I had her under investigation for quite a while. So after she lied to me for quite a while, so we're gonna get a conviction. So and they'll say, how do you plead, Mr. Detective Hathaway? And I'll say, I'm gonna say pleaded guilty to all charges against this skeleton here for inappropriate touching on little boys and girls and stuff like that. And he is under arrest. She is under arrest. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are. And now you have to write the right sign. The things they can be against the code of the law. You don't have to want to buy it for you. Just gotta fix these handcuffs real quick, and then we'll stop the video, and I'll read her rights again. Okay, so we're not done yet. That was only just a joke there. Hold on, sorry. Yeah. So the skeleton has been doing this for quite a while now. So I'll say my actual thing. See, it's going to plead guilty to all charges against her for inappropriate touch on people, like boys and girls, basically, and some young adults. So, anything before I have to arrest her in front of the camera? No, I didn't think so. I'm having you arrested. So I'm Detective Hathaway here. If you don't know who I am, yeah, you do. You're being arrested for inappropriate touching, and no questions to be asked at this time. And thank you. I will see you all later.